Na tuska mutu nikabona watu ni kurwasa sekta y'uburimi ensi ya Kenya nikabona bamuburirie omuwaziri oy'omuraibu ensi ya Kenya abeteka gochora Andrew Karanja kwene kinga abalimi bonsi pia ensi ya Kenya ngo chikonyara bali oboyo eli gutumika asemigondo yabo nigo abara yabu kurwasa sekta ibate yabuna nigo omuwazi oyorenge omuwaziri ase sekta y'endemero ase ya Kenya Mithika Linturi abete bako bagweria aigamega ya Mithika Linturi korengana na barabunga Mithika Linturi abete gakoba obwoyo burukaine amaroba egentu kiageranga ekemeri kiabo gutwara omochando naboigo kwenekia endagira ebirengo by'endagira okea asense ya Kenya.
Smallholder farmers face a big challenge of accessing quality farm inputs at a price they can afford. The agricultural sector is awash with quacks who have filled in this gap and are selling substandard inputs to farmers. This is not only a threat to the country's food security, but also severely affects the income of our members. The substandard inputs, especially pesticides and veterinary medicines, also lead to antimicrobial resistance, which is a silent pandemic that is becoming a leading cause of death. While we applaud the government for the subsidized fertilizer program, we urge the government to ensure timely delivery of the same so that the farmers receive the fertilizer before the start of the planting season.
As an opportunity,
so such initiatives that we are witnessing here today
ya Kenya elio kwene kinga omochando bwa machingo chikwerule nikobono ebisima biganda tukukunywa ase chisemo chirichia Nakuru nabego ase semelia ya Nairobi nikobono wikirabono chibisima bya kunyiru ange 10 ibono byo chikwene kinga amanchi na chikutuka ase obonge asense ya Kenya nabego nikobono chi project yecho chirachikwene no uchachi sector au elio uchitenenera kerechialira.
As an opportunity,
so such initiatives that we are witnessing here today is part of the role of the private sector in ensuring that water coverage is accelerated in the country. We have launched a PPP program where we have a number of projects. As we are talking about 10 water projects are ongoing, are at various stages of evaluation with a view to awarding them to the private sector so that they can implement and then sell the water to the water service providers and they recoup their investment. We are at various, I think we have one for Malindi, we have another one for the entire coastal, we have another one for Nairobi, and also another one for Nakuru, and all these are going on at very good pace, and we hope before the end of this year we will be groundbreaking maybe 2 or 3 water under PPP program.
We have several village drill crews already operating in Kenya, and this week we're going to be in Kisumu. We're drilling 2 wells at schools, and these drill crews are Kenyan operated, and they have the ability to do 2 to 3 boreholes per month. So with this new technology, we'll be able to bring really low-cost boreholes to even extremely rural and extremely poor areas. We're very excited about the technology, and a well-trained drill crew can do 2 to 3 boreholes every month. And so we're hoping to get more and more trained drill crews drilling boreholes.